everyone out there. Here is my lunch. I just brought my lunch in, and let me show you what I got. Let me show you my lunch. My lunch. Here. There's a bottle of water, banana, bread, and here, let's see what is inside. Oh my god, I need my two hands. Sorry, I have to drop the camera. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the soup, vegetable soup, and this is meat and vegetable. So this is what I'm eating right now. So let's get started before it gets cold. So that's what I'm eating. So talk to you guys later. Bye.